If you click to this video, it means that someone told you you should be improving your weaknesses. I'm here to say that no, actually, that's not correct. Today, I will be sharing with you 5 reasons that you should be concentrating on strengths point rather than the weaknesses. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeyhun. I am a hospitality expert. In this channel, I'm sharing with you some professional and personal empowerment tips on the real life example. If you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe, share the video and share your comments with me. All the links related to the video I will be sharing in the description box below. Without further ado, let's jump to the video. If I will be asking you what one thing that you would like to improve, most probably 90% of the people will answer it's a weakness. So 90% of the people will incline to improve their weaknesses. And this is backed up by the study. Several studies have been carried out which show that actually we need to concentrate on the strengths rather than the weakness, and we will grow faster in terms of personal and professional life. Today I will be sharing with you 5 reasons that we need to concentrate on the strengths point. First reason is those people feel happier and they feel healthier. Studies show that people who are dealing with their strengths points and continuously enhancing and sharpening their strengths points actually feel more healthier, the more happier, which actually leads to the career growth or personal development. In terms of the feeling healthier, they do more activities, they are more engaged in the exercises, they are more engaged in terms of the eating healthy food, and then in terms of the feeling happy, they are very much satisfied with their life. And in the second reason, they feel more satisfied. While you feel more satisfied, your brain is working towards solving the problems, creating the ideas, critical thinking. So studies found out that those people who concentrate on the strengths point, they develop traits, problem solving, creativity, critical thinking, and some other bunch of soft skills that most of other people are lacking during their career development. Yes, you are right. They feel more strong and they feel more confident. Because they are solving continuously problems, they are continuously creating the new ideas, they feel very strong. They feel very confident, and studies found out those respondents continuously dealing with their strengths point, they develop those traits as well. Fourth reason is experiencing faster growth. As you have seen, all 3 previous reasons are interrelated to each other. So all these 3 reasons actually result to the next reason, which is the 4th reason, and experiencing faster growth. As you continuously feel happier and they feel healthier, more satisfied and more confident, you lead for the faster growth in the career, faster growth in terms of personal development, which enhance all your other skills that you can use in different places. For example, you can find out your hidden strengths. Some of the scientists came up with this idea of the hidden strengths. Some strength skills we are aware, but some of the strength skills we are not aware. So continuously solving the problems and getting more confident, being more happier and getting satisfied makes us to develop ourselves faster, whilst it develops us to find out hidden strength. Last but not least is that they are more engaged in their work. Studies in the US showed that 60% of the respondents are more engaged in the workplace rather than the people who are dealing with their weak point. If all the companies will enhance the strength points of the employees, actually their US might double their engagement rate. And in contrast, 27% of them feel even more down if their managers are continuously talking on their weak points. So with that being said, are you planning to improve your strengths rather than the weakness? My belief is that we should be concentrating on our strengths because this is our comfort zone, yes, but comfort zone can also help us if you continuously enhance, continuously try to sharpen your, let's say, skills, which can push you for further improvement in other areas. If you feel happier, if you are satisfied, more engaged, more confident, more powerful, why not to engage with your strengths point rather than to be depressed or got stress or lower level of engagement rate in the workplace, which might actually have a bad impact on your mental health. So let's concentrate on our strengths points and do not afraid to improve those skills. With that being said, this is the end of this video. If you like the video, please make sure that you share the video with your loved ones, subscribe to the channel and put your comments down and let me know, what do you think? Should we concentrate on our strengths points as studies showed, or we still need to deal with our weak point. And I will see you on our next episode. See you.